Hey everyone, Dan here. This is my review of this 5-step dog ladder to get into your car or truck. This thing is pretty cool. The company sent it to me to do an honest review on it. And from what I've discovered today, it's pretty nice. First of all, you can see that it's pretty compact and easy to collapse right in and stow away into your car. It has a nice strap here that can be put together with a little Velcro thing here. But this opens up and it's super simple to set up. You just take the part that has the foam pads here at the top and you let it drop. And then you can put the foam pads right up to your car. There's a padding here on the back end of the bar that rubs up, that will bump up against your car and will protect it from getting scratches or any type of damage. And then there's a little safety latch here. This little lock just kind of clips into your trunk latch, so that way it's not going to fall off, or if there's any movement, this will kind of prevent that from sliding off. But I like to put it right up against the back end of the car there, and then just kind of pull this out as far as it'll go, and you're good to go. It's all set up. And this one's a 5-step model. There is a 4-step version, and this is pretty cool because it gives dogs that don't have an ability to jump up into the car a way to climb in without having to carry them. There's a nice dog paw pattern on here with these little non-slip doggy prints, and overall I'm pretty happy with this. It's a pretty simple design, and I love the fact that it's super portable and easy to just take apart and collapse and stow away or pull out and get it set up for your dogs to enter and exit your vehicle. Super simple, super quick. And I imagine you could use this elsewhere outside of a place for a vehicle. You could probably use it maybe inside if you needed to help your dogs get from one riser to another or landing to another. This thing looks like it would have a couple of different uses as well. So I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks for watching.